this is Elif from Health International. We are here at the Istanbul airport today to welcome one of our patients who is coming from the States to have hair transplant. We will escort him to his hotel with our VIP car, and tomorrow he will have the surgery at the hospital. So, see you there tomorrow.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, good.
Is it delayed?
Yeah, because I checked it before we left.
Hi, I'm Ashish. I traveled all the way here from New Jersey in the United States to get a hair transplant. Apart from the price point, I've heard from a lot of friends that Health International and their whole team has been really, really good with picking us from the airport, arranging rides, arranging all the appointments. They've been very, very helpful in terms of like from start to end, everything's been, point on point. I've also heard that Turkey is a great place to get a hair transplant, and it's been so far so good. Yeah, Elif and her team have been very great. So right now we're actually going to my hotel. We've been picked up from the airport in this really nice car, and I guess we'll see you guys on Friday, the day of the operation. Hey, so we just got to the hotel, got our room key, had a really nice dinner, and gonna get ready for the surgery now. So see you guys on Friday. So here's day 2 of the hair transplant process. We just got picked up from our hotel, brought here to the hospital. We just had our hairlines drawn up and are about to go into surgery in about 10-15 minutes. Hey, so this is post-surgery. I guess the final step is tomorrow. The surgery went really great. It wasn't as painful as I thought it'd be. Actually, it wasn't painful at all. Just had a really good dinner now, about to go to the hotel.